Free then?
Hi, I'm Deborah, and so I'm going to be going through this free comic book day haul. So this is from Forbidden Planet, and this was from World Apart. So I'm going to first go ahead with Forbidden Planet. So with Forbidden Planet, the bag is already made up of the comics. So it's just a random assortment. And then there's like 3 on the table if one could get the table comics if you wanted to. So the first one is Boom. I saw the little mice and I got excited. This was part of the Forbidden Planet mystery bag thing. So this is what it looks like. It looks like different comics. Little mice. Little story about little mice and tarot cards. So I'm going to start off with this. I'm quite dyslexic, so I'm trying to read the font. I think it says Deathlake Hysteria. This is what the back looks like. Energy Universe 2025 Special Edition. So this is what the font looks like. Well, the front looks like, the back looks like. Fantastic Four. So this is what the back looks like. It's like in Fantastic Four. There's Monsters. So this is what it looks like in the front. So this is what it looks like in the back. Wow. So the artwork is quite well, that's quite interesting. They titled this Superman Unlimited Alien 2025 Special Edition. It looks like that. Oh, I didn't realise. Oh, all in one. So all in one at the back, and then this is Alien. Some Batman. Yeah, it's like 2 stories in one, kind of. And then this is what it looks like at the back. Speed Racer, so that's what it looks like front, and then this is what it looks like at the back. The Phantom. All the comics from the Forbidden Mystery bag thing. For Worlds Apart is you can pick 3 comics of your choice. It was laid out on a table thing, so this is why I go to Forbidden Planet first, because they did the mystery bag, and then Worlds Apart I just picked out comics that I didn't get from Forbidden Planet. We're going to start off with these comics. They also had this thing where you could pick out any of the posters for free and some candy and a card. So I'll show you the comics first and then the other sort of knickknacks afterwards. So these are the ones I've picked out. I can't pronounce the name because I'm quite dyslexic, so this is what the title is. The back. Oh, there's a bit of Naruto in here. Or should I say Boruto? I do apologise if I'm butchering the names of this, so I think it's Izaki. It looks interesting. And this is what it looks like at the back. So I picked this out because it looked kind of cute with all the little kangaroos and their hats. So I picked this out because it looked quite cute with the kangaroos and hats. This is probably more for like 8-year-olds, but hey ho, I thought it looked kind of cool. And this is what it looks like at the back. Some free candy. And then this is the poster picked at, which is... I wonder why I picked this poster out. It says, a cock's gotta do what a cock's gotta do. The manga. Also got this card, which looks like these. Star Wars card. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below what is your favourite comic book store, or what's your favourite manga/comic, or your experience with Free Comic Book Day. Thank you for watching.